The centuries-old Indian sport of mud wrestling or kushti could be dealt a deadly blow by the pandemic. Athletes have lost income because of restrictions on sporting events. Ishaq Garg reports.
Shamshad first stepped in the ring when he was 8 years old. Now 30, he's among the top wrestlers in Delhi, having secured the second position in the state's wrestling tournament in 2019. But with the major money-spinning local tournaments or dangals on hold, this year is proving to be especially difficult.
बहुत दिक्कत आई जी, हमारे डाइट टीम पे दिक्कत आई। देखो जी, हम दंगल करते हैं, दंगल से हमारे पास होता जो कुछ होता, मैं आखिरी कुश्ती लड़ता हूँ 51,000 1 लाख रुपए की लास्ट कुश्ती मेरी होती है, तो उससे हमारे ऊपर गिरावट आई है। 8 महीना 6 महीने हमने पड़े खा रहे, जब से कुछ है नहीं, घर से खर्चा ले रहे हैं घर वाले के पास से, घर वाले मजदूरी कर हमें खिला रहे हैं।
Most northern states routinely organize dangals to showcase local talent. The prize money from these fights is the only source of income for most wrestlers like Shamshad. But the restrictions on large gatherings and sporting events have meant that big competitions are out of the picture. Government orders mandate attendance of no more than 100 people at sporting events and a complete ban on sports in containment zones or areas with a high caseload of COVID-19. This has left most athletes struggling for bare essentials.
जो दंगल के ऊपर कुश्ती लड़के रहे, छुट्टी किए खड़े सामने, तो इनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। खुराक तो चाहिए, मेन तो खुराक ही है, जब तो बच्चा आगे बढ़ेगा, तगड़ा जब तो होगा। बादाम जरूर चाहिए, दूध जरूर चाहिए, घी भी सब चीज चाहिए।
With India reporting close to 40,000 cases of COVID-19 every day and the country navigating through a recession, some wrestlers are mulling picking up odd jobs, such as daily wage work in the security industry or running a small business. But Shamshad's dreams are bigger than that.
और पहलवान देश के लिए खेलता जी, पहलवान काम ही देश के लिए खेलना होता, देश के लिए खेलता।
His route to a stable life depends on his professional achievements. If he's able to win a medal for India on the international stage, he'll be offered a job by the government and a substantial cash reward. But after spending months indoors, his performance has taken a hit.
घर पे पड़े वेट बढ़ गया, बहुत से ने खाया है, डाइटिंग वही थी, लेकिन वेट बढ़ गया उनमें, वो प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पाए। जैसे हम रनिंग करते थे, रनिंग नहीं कर पाए, घर से बाहर ना निकल पाए, तो घर में कर पाए, घर करते थे, बाहर ना निकल पाए हम, तो इसकी वजह से हमारे ऊपर असर पड़ा है।
He continues to train as best as he can, but he's worried that if the dangals do not resume in the next few months, he might be forced to reconsider a career in wrestling.
Grounds like these around New Delhi would have been brimming with thousands of people this time last year. But now they are unlikely to witness any big events until the pandemic is brought under control. The wrestlers are hoping that the government will subsidize their nutrition and their training gear so that they can continue to fight. Ishaq Garg, CNA, New Delhi.